Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming power and a recent backup. This protects data if the update needs rollback. Once done, make sure your network is stable and switch to Ethernet if Wi-Fi is flaky. Open the System Update utility and let it fetch the latest metadata. This identifies required packages and potential conflicts. You'll see a list of pending patches. Scan for anything labeled driver or firmware, because those often need special handling before proceeding. You now focus on resolving conflicts and reducing variables. First, close resource heavy apps and clear temporary files to free 10 to 20% storage so packages can unpack. If the updater flags drivers or firmware, install those first because they can change hardware behavior. Once done, make sure to reboot. Then apply remaining updates in small groups to isolate failures. If an install stalls, pause and read the error. It typically tells you which you finish by verifying the new system version and running a quick integrity check so you confirm everything updated cleanly. Once done, examine key apps and restore any files only if your backup is valid. If something behaves poorly, make sure to reboot once, then boot into safe mode to remove the last update group and roll back drivers if needed. One key troubleshooting tip. If updates fail repeatedly, disconnect peripherals and reinstall the latest stable driver manually before retrying the update sequence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.